ninyo. May we request Coach Chot and all the players to please come up here. Coach Chot, hindi pala come up here eh. Hindi naman mataas ko eh, diba? Come on down. Come on down. Halika na para magsayawan na tayo mamaya.
Coach Chot. Saan si Coach Chot?
Coach Chot.
Coach Chot.
How about a big hand for the champion coach? Okay. Reyes. Coach Reyes. Champion coach. Come on. Soon to make it 3 in a row.
Grand Slam.
Grand Slam tayo. Alam ba ninyo, this day started with bad news. Today started with bad news.
Yeah.
I got the text message na yung bahay pala ni Coach ninakawan. It started with bad news, but he stayed positive all throughout, and he brought his team, and he made it happen. Now we are the champions. So, ngayon, hindi ko na alam kung this is a better news, being champions or nanakawan. Di bale? Di bale? Bahala na si Mr. Pangilinan sa kanya.
Kapalitan natin yung mga naman.
Nasaan na ba yung mga ibang players? Come on, Ryan! Ryan Reyes! Alam mo, this journey of ours, alam naman ninyo lahat no, kung ano nangyari kay Ryan. His brother Raymond died in a car accident. And when we were playing the championship, I knew that somebody up there was going to make it happen too. And Raymond helped us. Kelly, well, I saw Jimmy Alapag somewhere here.
Jimmy!
Team captain, gusto mo ba pag nakompleto sila, pasasayawin natin?
Dalawang championship na sa dalawang taon.
MVP! Jimmy Alapag, come on! Alam mo, I was so very happy. Dalawang MVP. It just shows how we work together. And why we are champions, right? Ang tawag doon, tulungan.
Boss Ricky, may dapat pa tayong pasalamatan. Siguro ho, napansin nyo, parang may ibang organisasyon tayo. Alam nyo kung sino? Gusto ko tingnan nyo yung paligid nyo, pasalamatan nyo ang Smart and Talk and Text Marketing Team. Sila ang bago natin ang tropa. Sila ang dahilan, sila Perry Bayani, sila Ting Jimenez, sila James Benas, sila of course Boss Toy. Sino ba? You know who you are. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
How about one big cheer for the Talk and Text team, marketing team? Come on! Asawa niya ng alas 4:30 para pumunta sa Antipolo, magkasal.